just wanted to run through what you will find in the farmer's market tote. You have the tablet for capturing SNAP transactions. Right here is some community information that can get put out on the table. You have our business card, a couple of food pantry stickers, information about public transportation, and the waterfront Sunday concert series brochure. And in the back here is information about the summer meal program, Hot Lunch Summer. Again, those can just get spread out on the table. Here is an email list for the market email. Once a week, Dave from Bluebell Farm sends out an email highlighting what's going to be happening at the market. Right here is information about setting up the booth, how SNAP and Maine Harvest Bucks works, and then also a, oh no, what's happening, troubleshooting guide. You will also find an image of what the setup generally looks like. The only thing that's currently different is the signage. We are getting new signs, so those are coming soon. You'll also find right here, these are vouchers, paper vouchers for capturing SNAP transactions if the tablet is not working, and I'll talk more about that in a second. Here is some signage for those summer meals. These signs can get put on the table or on the side of the table. They just let people know that we accept SNAP and what is eligible. This is also a great guide for you if you're not familiar. And another sign to be put up. I usually hang those on the edge of the table using the clothespins that you'll find in here. You have clothespins, some pens, and the card reader for the tablet. Right here is the paper shopping sheet. So when someone comes to the booth and is interested in using their SNAP benefits to make a purchase at the market, you will hand them the sheet and a pen, and they will take this sheet to the different vendors. The vendors are familiar with this sheet and know exactly what to do. The vendor will write their name right here. They'll write the item that was purchased and also the cost of that item. When the shopper comes back to you, you can total their purchases right here in this box, and then you can run the SNAP transaction using the tablet. So the tablet, the on button is right here on the side. It'll pop on, and all of the login information you can find right on the back here of the tablet. Okay. So to get into the tablet, we'll wait till it's ready. Here we go. You press the little black button, swipe down, and it's logged in. So, hello. Swipe up. My apologies. And then the pin again is right here on the back, 4598, 4598, and you're in. Once the tablet is on, you will notice the icon up here. Apologies, it's so small. It says Total Pay. You'll click on that. It will prompt you for login information. Same login as the tablet itself. 4598. Login. And here you are at the main screen. You will go to SNAP Purchase, and it'll ask you to swipe the card or enter the card. Once you have done that, it'll ask for a PIN. At that time, you will pass the tablet over to the purchaser and they will put their PIN in. You'll put the amount in and go from there. So just follow those prompts, super easy. You'll come back over here and you'll see the main harvest bucks section. So when a SNAP user uses their EBT card to purchase something from the market, they get bonus bucks, and those bonus bucks can be used to purchase fresh fruit and vegetables. The bucks are right here, and the information about them is just wrapped along here. Now, most shoppers, they are familiar with this program and they know what they are getting. Let me pull one out here. They come in $5 and $1 increments. Okay, that. And these can be used at any market in the area, not just the Bowdoinham market that accepts SNAP. So it's a great program. Seasoned shoppers are really smart. They will make their purchases of non-qualifying foods, and again, that's right here. What's eligible for main harvest bucks and what's not. So they will purchase their things like baked goods and breads and jellies and pickled things, eggs, dairy products, meat, fish, etc., and then use their harvest bucks to purchase their fruits and veggies, and all of those things are highlighted right there. A lot of times shoppers will like a combination of 5 and 1s. They do not get change back on these, so the farmers are good about rounding up their purchases. They do not need to be used the same day. They have the entire market season to use them. So say the shopper spent $10 at the market that day, they get 50% of that in harvest bucks. So they would make a $10 purchase. You would give them $5 of the main harvest bucks. Okay, and you do not need to enter that into the tablet. It just gets entered onto the paper, and I enter it into a database later on. Okay, what happens when the tablet isn't working? There's no internet, things like that, no problem. So you just grab one of these forms that has actually already happened, and you fill out a paper form. So you don't need to worry about a voucher number. You do need the EBT card number. You need the date, the authorization, which is basically their PIN number, and the amount. Okay. All of the other information here is filled out for you. Then you just need to print the card holder's name and have the card holder sign the piece of paper. Okay. And the way it actually works is the top copy is ours, the bottom copy is the customer's. Okay. In the event that you have to fill one of these out, please just let me know, because I have to enter it in at another time, and we have 15 days to enter it. Otherwise, we will not be reimbursed and can't pay the farmers. What else? Here, the donation jar, we put that out, obviously without all the goodies. Folks are really generous there. You can encourage people to sign the email list and chat with folks about some of the upcoming community events. That should do it. If you have questions or run into a pickle, my contact information is right here. In the event that I am unable to answer your question, whether I'm out of town or you just can't reach me right away, Kate at Tender Souls They're a vendor at the market. She was instrumental in helping to set this up, and she's really familiar with the program, so she can answer questions as well. Okay, that should do it. Thank you so much for being willing to staff this booth. It's really important from a donation standpoint, in addition to outreach, and obviously the biggest benefit of all, offering SNAP at the Bowdoinham Farmers Market. Thanks so much.